Welcome to the GenAI Engineer Professional Certification. This program, designed by industry leaders, helps you master generative AI, LLMs, RAG, and AI agents to launch your career in the era of artificial intelligence. This program is designed for students, software developers, data engineers, and machine learning enthusiasts. You will learn to master Python, deep learning, transformers, and GenAI agents to build and deploy scalable GenAI solutions. The GenAI Engineering Pathway is a structured journey with 17 courses. It takes you from Python fundamentals through core ML and advanced GenAI topics, culminating in RAG and AI agents. Module 1 focuses on Python and data science over 2 weeks. You'll learn Python scripting, data wrangling, and SQL fundamentals, developing skills like data storytelling, and using tools like Pandas and Streamlit. Module 2, Machine Learning Core, teaches you to frame ML problems, build reproducible pipelines, and train models like XGBoost. The hands-on project involves building a credit risk classifier with ML flow tracking. In Module 3, Deep Learning Fundamentals, you will implement CNNs and RNNs using Keras/TensorFlow. You will learn model serving, basic MLOPs, and deploy a visual defect detector via API. Module 4 covers Generative AI Foundations. This one-week module focuses on LLM concepts, prompt engineering, ethical AI, and basic evaluation. You'll work on a prompt engineering lab project. Module 5 focuses on NLP and transformers. You will work with BERT/GPT architectures, prepare datasets with HF datasets, and build an extractive question answering system. Module 6 introduces fine-tuning and advanced techniques. This covers applying PEFT techniques like LoRa and QLORA to LLMs, managing GPU memory, and building a domain-specific Q&A model. Module 7 is dedicated to RAG and AI agents. You will learn to implement vector stores, orchestrate RAG chains, and evaluate systems using RAGAS. The project is a RAG chatbot with guardrails. Module 8 is the capstone project, where you build a production-ready Gen AI application over 2 to 3 weeks. You'll learn full-stack development, cloud deployment, and prepare a hiring-ready portfolio. The program emphasizes a comprehensive technical stack. You will master tools for data and code, machine learning and deep learning, Gen AI and NLP, and production operations and cloud deployment. The Gen AI revolution is creating high-value opportunities. Hot roles include Gen AI Engineer and MLOps Engineer, with salary bands in India ranging from 6 to over 45 LPA based on experience. We offer robust career services with a 92% placement success rate. Our 5-step roadmap includes foundations, building a project portfolio, resume readiness, interview preparation, and job offers. Earn dual credentials from IBM and IIT Patna. The IBM certification offers global digital badges and watsonx competency, while IIT Patna provides academic excellence and thought leadership. The BIT x IBM x IIT program offers balanced value, guided structure, live expert mentorship, real projects, and verified credentials, making it the best choice for career transition. Admissions are open for 2026. Join the elite program by Baroda Institute of Technology in collaboration with IBM and IIT Patna. You can choose between live online or offline modes. Visit the website to apply now.